Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you how to convert m4a to mp3 online fast. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open my Chrome browser. After opening up my Chrome browser, I'll click on here to create a new tab. Then you have to come to the address right here and type in m4a to mp3. Then click on search. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on the first result right here, cloud convert. So click on that. It's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and then make sure this format here is m4a and the output result is mp3. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to select your file. Then head over to your media. Then go to the audio section. Then select your m4a file. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on convert. Successfully convert. So after successfully convert, you can simply click on here to download your mp3 file format. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply convert your m4a to mp3 online fast for free. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.